Welcome to our guide on the top 3 agents for beginners in Valorant. Valorant has captivated gamers around the globe, offering exciting gameplay, strategy, and teamwork. If you're just starting out, these agents are perfect for honing your skills while having fun. Now, let's talk about how we chose these agents. We focused on their abilities, playstyle, and how much support they provide to new players. These factors make them approachable and beneficial for those starting in Valorant. First up is Sage. She is a support agent known for her amazing healing abilities and crowd control. Sage's toolkit includes a healing orb to revive teammates and a wall to block enemy attacks, enhancing team survivability. Sage plays a crucial role in keeping her team alive. By using her healing abilities wisely, she can turn the tide of battle, allowing her teammates to stay in the fight longer and push for victory. Next is Phoenix. He's a duelist with fiery abilities that allow him to take on enemies head-on. His signature flare gives him both healing and damage potential, perfect for an aggressive playstyle. Phoenix shines in solo play, bringing in a self-sustaining mechanic through his healing abilities. If you're looking to take risks and make impactful plays, Phoenix is your go-to agent. Lastly, we have Brimstone. As a controller, he excels at providing utility and battlefield control. His abilities can strategize your team's movements and create safe zones for them. Brimstone is invaluable for team strategy. His smoke, grenades, and airstrikes create opportunities while blocking enemy visibility. This makes him perfect for new players learning about tactical gameplay. To recap, Sage, Phoenix, and Brimstone are the top 3 agents for beginners. They offer excellent support, aggressive play options, and essential tactical advantages. Trying them out will definitely boost your confidence. So, ready to dive in? Don't hesitate to try out these agents in your matches. Embrace the challenge and enjoy every moment as you explore the exciting world of Valorant.